Okay, we are on 1-6 relations. The new material is page 43, number 1. Page 43, number 1. I only gave you number 1 and number 2 for new material. So I want you to go ahead and try by yourself first before I go ahead and help you through. It says express each relation as a table, a graph, and a mapping. Then it says determine the domain and range. So a table has the x and y values. So 4, -2, 5, and then it has 3, 2, -6. My graph, so 4, 3 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1, 2, 3. -2, 2, -2, +2. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my graphing, and then my mapping. I have my domain range, and I have -2, 4, 5. I have -6, 2, 3. I like to put them in order. -2 matches with 2. 4 matches with 3. 5 matches with -6. Then it says, what are my domain and range? Well, the nice thing about mapping is you actually tell me what my domain is and you actually tell me what my range is. So if you do your mapping, I'm okay with that, because that is what the domain and range is. So number 2, pause the video and try. On number 2, here's my table, my graph, and my mapping will be over here. So I got 5, -1, 0, -2, -7, 4, -5, 3. If I graph this, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm at -1, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm at 0, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -2, up 1, 2, 3. There's my graph. Then my mapping. I like to put them in order. So -2, -1, 0, 5. And then that's my domain. Here's my range. -7, -5, 3, 4. So -2 matches with 3. -1 matches with 4. 0 matches with 5, or -5. And then 5 matches with -7. There's your mapping. Okay. Old material, page 46, number 44. Page 46, number 44. Go ahead and pause the video and try. Number 44, I have 6, 3 minus g, plus 2, 11 minus g. That would be 18 minus 6g, plus 22 minus 2g. If I combine like terms, 18, 22 becomes 40. -6, -2 becomes -8g. So, 40 minus 8g. The only one in which I see, then what they did is they took out, what do these two have in common? So I told you guys this before, that if they actually have something in common, we can take out. So they actually both have an 8. If I take an 8 out, 40 divided by 8 is 5. 8 divided by 8 is 1. So I would actually be left with this, 8 parentheses 5 minus 1g. So that would be letter H. I'm trying to increase your knowledge. Page 54, number 63. Page 54, number 63. Pause the video and try. On number 63, it says the table shows the prices of some items. Tom needs 4 glue sticks, so 4 times $1.99, plus he needs 10 pencils at at 25 cents, and then he needs 4 notebooks, and the notebooks would be $1.85. So if I were to go ahead and calculate this, we would have $4 times $1.99 plus $10 times 0.25 plus 4 times $1.85, and I get $17.86. Page 53, number 67. Page 53, number 67. Well, find the volume of the rectangular prism. I meant 54. On page 54, find the volume of a rectangular prism, length times width times height. So I know that I'm going to have 3.2 times 2.2 times 5.4. 0.4 times 2.2 times 3.2, that gives me 38.016. Page 100, number 9. Number 9, pause the video and try. We've seen this over and over again. We need to find the perimeter, so the x is, so that would be 3x, 2x, 5x, that would be 10x. On this left side, plus 10. My right side would be x plus 2x plus 2x, that's 6x, plus 26. Now I can go ahead and take minus 10, so that would be 10x equals 6x plus 16 minus 6x. That would give me 4x equals 16. Divide by 4. X equals 4. Page 115, number 34. Pause the video and try. Here we go, page 115, number 34. I have 6 over 14 equals 7 over x minus 3. I can cross multiply or multiply by my denominators. So I'm trying to review with you guys. So 14 and 14 would be able to cancel. That would give 6x minus 18. X minus 3 cancels. 7 times 14, 28, 98. I can go ahead and add 18. So I get 6x equals, that would be 16, 11, divide by 6. 116 divided by 6. 6 goes into 11 once. 5, bring down the 6. 6 goes into 56. That would be 9, which is 54. 2 left over, add a decimal. 6 goes into 20. 3, which is 18, and it's going to repeat, so 19.3 repeating. Page 129, number 14. Go ahead and pause the video and try. 10ac minus x over 11 equals negative 3, and I need to solve for letter A. If I want to solve for letter A, I need to multiply both sides by my denominator. So that would be 10ac minus x equals negative 33. Trying to get a by itself, so I'm going to add x to both sides. I got 10ac equals negative 33 plus x. Now I can go ahead and divide by 10c, and that would be my answer. Page 100, number 32. 100, number 32. Pause the video and try. On number 32, 1 over 8 times 3d minus 2 equals 1 over 4, parenthesis d plus 5. So I can go ahead and distribute top times top, bottom times bottom. It's 2 over 8. That's 1 over 4d plus 5 over 4. Now I'm going to multiply everything by my denominators. 8 times 4, 8 times 4, 8 times 4. That gives me 12d minus 2 equals, my 4's go away, 8d. My 4's go away, 40. So, minus 8d minus 8d, that's 4d minus 2 equals 40. I'm going to add 2, so I got 4d equals 42. Divide by 4, and 42 divided by 4 gives me, 42 divided by 4 gives me 10.5. Alright. And actually, you should put that as a fraction. So 42 divided by 4, that would be 4, bring down the 2, so that would be 4 and 2/4, which is 4 and 1/2. Or sorry, 10. 10 and 1/2. Sorry. 10 and 1/2, which is 10.5. 10 and 1/2 is the same thing. I'm not going to help you with this because I think I'm going long on my video, and we'll see if it takes.